In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set PayPal payment default method. This is a quick and simple process, and it only takes a moment once you're signed in to your PayPal account. Setting a preferred payment method can be helpful because it tells PayPal which funding source you want to use first when you make a purchase. That can save time during checkout and help you stay in control of whether payments come from your PayPal balance, a linked card, or a connected bank account. To get started, open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. This is the area where PayPal shows all of your available payment sources in one place. Once you're there, you'll be able to see your connected cards, linked bank accounts, and your PayPal balance, depending on what you currently have added to the account. Take a moment to look through the available options and decide which one you want to use as your default payment method. For example, you may prefer to use a specific debit or credit card for everyday purchases, or you may want PayPal to use your PayPal balance first whenever it's available. Choosing the right default method can make your transactions more convenient and better match how you like to manage your spending. After you've found the payment source you want to use by default, select it. Then look for the option that says Set as Preferred Method. Tap or click that option to confirm your selection. Once you do that, PayPal will update your settings so that this payment method becomes the preferred one for future eligible payments. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you've selected the actual card, bank, or balance entry inside the Wallet section, since the setting usually appears within the details for that payment method. Also keep in mind that some transactions may still give you the chance to choose a different payment option at checkout, but your preferred method will generally be the default choice PayPal uses. And that's it. Once you've set your preferred method, you're all done. It's a small setting, but it can make using PayPal faster and more convenient every time you pay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.